Welcome to this detailed review of Juridisch Loket, a website that provides free legal advice to residents of the Netherlands. If you're facing legal challenges or need help understanding Dutch laws, this platform might be an excellent starting point. In this video, I'll explore its core features, layout, and the type of legal assistance you could expect to find here. The homepage is clean and straightforward, featuring a prominent search bar where you can enter your legal question. Below the search bar, you'll find categorized topics such as family, housing, work, and consumer rights, making it easier to navigate specific areas of concern. Each category leads to detailed subpages filled with common questions, explanations, and legal solutions. One of the standout features of Juridisch Loket is its section for frequently asked questions. These FAQs cover a wide range of everyday legal scenarios, from tenant rights to employment disputes, helping you understand your situation before taking further steps. You can also find templates for legal letters and contracts, which can save time and money. Another major highlight is the ability to contact a legal advisor directly. This is done via phone, email, or an in-person visit at one of their locations across the Netherlands. The website guides you through this process, with clear instructions on how to prepare for your consultation, including what documents to bring and what information to have ready. During my review, I also tested their interactive tools, such as the eligibility checker for legal aid. This feature helps you determine whether you qualify for additional support based on your financial situation. It's user-friendly and provides clear results within minutes. Navigation throughout the website is seamless, with a responsive design that works well on both desktop and mobile devices. The text is easy to read, and the layout ensures that even first-time visitors can find the information they need without feeling overwhelmed. However, one area that could use improvement is the availability of multilingual options. While Juridisch Loket is primarily targeted at Dutch speakers, offering more language support could make the platform more accessible to non-Dutch residents seeking legal help. Overall, Juridisch Loket provides a valuable, accessible service for anyone in the Netherlands needing basic legal guidance. It simplifies the often intimidating process of finding legal information and connects you with the right resources to move forward confidently. Whether you need advice on drafting a contract, resolving a dispute, or understanding your legal rights, this website is a strong starting point. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of essential websites and tools.